you are now elevated as member of the board of the WASTI. Okay, shall we hear?
Okay, this time we'll hear the President for the year 2014 with his message to all of us. Let's all welcome once again on stage Mr. Benjamin Escabaya, Chairman.
A warm applause, please.
Good afternoon to everybody. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, I'd like to appreciate the presence of our dearest lead administrator, Madam Nanan, with the family. Thank you so much. It is an honor that we grace this occasion. Many have been said on top of this stage. Marami nang sinabi. Wala na rin dapat patunayan. Many have been said and we don't have to prove anything anymore because it is already there. It is being seen amongst us. Members, officers, and guests likewise. We have traveled the road since 1995. And the road have been rough at times, but alhamdulillah, we made it through. This year we have the theme, moving as one, leading OFWs to information technology standardization. It is the project of our government that when we go home in our country, we will reintegrate ourselves. Not as a burden of our government, but as a working partner. An inspiration to those who have been left behind. For the trend nowadays is not individualism, but it is globalization. Globalization meaning we are now at par. We don't see our fellow Asians, our brother in the Middle East, as competitor, but it's now an open market. So this day, it is a vision. I have envisioned this day that we will be gathered here as one. Not in far hotels that you don't see us at night, not in areas where we cannot be together, we cannot face each other, knowing each other. This is the right venue. And we have to thank Elite International School for hosting us for how many years now on. Thank you so much. For without this administration, without the administration of the school, we will not be gathered here today. Enjoying each other's company, knowing each other's objective, and knowing each other's faces, and feeling each other's emotions. For these emotions that we carry and we listen from far-flung areas of this room, it is a resonation of one to improve ourselves, to do something fruitful in every Friday that we spend in Saudi Arabia. Well, it is a vision also that we, all members, please rise. Please rise. Tumayo po tayo lahat as members. Members, please rise. For when we rise as members of Congress, as we rise as members of this institution, we feel now that we are one. Do you feel that we are one? Yes. You may take your seat, please. As I was singing a while ago, a song from Bon Jovi, as your elected president, I sang the song, I'll be there for you. Well, I am here for you, and I will be there for you. I will be there for you, and I will carry you. I will carry you throughout this year, be proud to be a Comsopilian. Together with my 15 co-board of directors, we have a vision for you, members. For without you, Comsopil is not Comsopil. Because without you sitting there now, there is nobody to listen, nobody to carry, nobody to work for. For the spirit of volunteerism is amongst us. You yourself have brought yourself here as volunteers. You are not there in your quarters now sleeping or doing something else or watching the TV. You have brought yourself, voluntarily came over here to be a Comsopilian. And I am not going to talk as I. I am going to talk as we, together with my co-board of directors, have a vision for you. And our first vision, our visions, we will not be giving you visions that we cannot deliver. For next semester, we are envisioning that you will not be filing or writing for that. How many times that you're writing your name, word, comma, number, telephone. That is, we are going to have a paperless transaction. Only the new members will be writing for the membership form. You will be just giving your name, ID number, and the password that you will enroll in. And then the computer will do itself. That is our first vision for this year 2014. And thanks for the expertise of our co-board of directors. I would like you to recognize them. Well, for the programs, Sir Armando Banala, favorite program, board of directors. For the non-web development, Sir Jeff, and then for the local area network is the head market or DPD. They are the chairman. They will not do this alone. They will lead their team. Their team, the support group, is start to recognize. Together with the sets of instructors on my right side, please start to recognize. Well, as I have opened a while ago, too many things have been said. But the things that I have uttered till now, this is the first time that we heard it. For we are all a computer society, so let's do computerization in our transactions. We will move on further. For when we finish this program, it will be a big relief for everybody. This will not be possible if you will not be supporting us together with our instructors. The programs for the past years will be a continuing program. Train the trainers. The educational program of our big engineering to the engineering staff. But most of all, we, as one, shall move on in one direction, together. Together, let us make this journey a memorable one. I am your president for 2014, and I hope that I will deliver your expectations. Thank you.
Thank you very much, President. I know that there are a lot of challenges away to end the